Hey guys, welcome to ProjectVentive. In this video we will talk about Microsoft Cognitive Services. But before getting into Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services, let's define cognitive computing and cognitive services. Cognitive computing is the use of cutting-edge technology to emulate human thought processes. The technologies that are used: artificial intelligence, signal processing, machine learning, neural networks, virtual reality, and others. What do you hope cognitive computing will accomplish? Its major goal is to make it easier to build intelligent applications without any programming skills. Cognitive services are a collection of APIs and toolkits used to build apps that can handle unstructured data and generate insightful information. Now, what Microsoft Cognitive Services? With the help of Microsoft Cognitive Services, a collection of APIs, SDKs, and services, programmers may construct intelligent apps without having a complete understanding of artificial intelligence, AI, or machine learning, ML. These techniques can be used to create predictive analytics, image recognition, voice recognition, language translation, and other applications. This video will look at the various Microsoft Cognitive Services subsystems and how they can be used to create intelligent apps. One of the most popular components of Microsoft Cognitive Services is the Computer Vision API. Using this API, developers can analyze and extract data from photographs and videos. It can do operations such as facial recognition, optical character recognition, and object recognition, OCR. The Computer Vision API has a number of capabilities that allow developers to easily design intelligent apps. It includes an OCR tool, for example, that allows you to extract text from pictures. Applications that must process a large number of scanned documents may benefit from this. Another popular component of Microsoft Cognitive Services is the Speech API. This API allows programmers to add speech recognition capability to their apps. It may be used to both translate spoken speech into several languages and transcribe spoken words into text. The Speech API includes a number of functionalities that allow developers to easily design intelligent applications. It contains a function called speaker recognition, for example, that allows persons to be recognized based on their distinct speaking styles. Applications that require to validate a user's identity may benefit from this. In addition to the Computer Vision API and the Speech API, Microsoft Cognitive Services includes a variety of tools for developing intelligent apps. The Recommendations API, for example, can be used to create personalized recommendation systems, whilst the Language API allows developers to add language translation capabilities to their applications. One of the primary benefits of Microsoft Cognitive Services is their ease of use. The APIs are well documented, making it easy for developers to understand how to use them, and they can get started with as few as a few lines of code. Furthermore, Microsoft Cognitive Services are available at a variety of price points, allowing developers to select the one that best meets their needs and financial restrictions. Cons and advantages. Businesses opt to employ this product because of its numerous benefits. Let's take a closer look at the advantages of cognitive services in Azure. There are numerous application scenarios. Because of the product's rich domain-specific functionality, businesses can utilize it for a variety of business purposes. Humanities equality. Microsoft's AI has comparable vision, voice, and language abilities to humans. Deployment is simple, quick, and adaptable. The container-based architecture enables flexible cloud deployment while requiring no AI experience. However, there are a few obstacles to overcome. Internal data sources are integrated with cloud-based applications. A hybrid network and an integration strategy should be implemented before the start of development. Availability. The product is available exclusively in certain regions. Major competitors. Microsoft's main competitors in the realm of cognitive services are clearly Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Service, and IBM Watson. Despite its similarities, each has distinct characteristics, which are discussed below. Amazon Web Services. AWS is the most popular cloud provider, according to Amazon, because of its AI and machine learning capabilities. The following functionalities are included in the product, which puts machine learning in the hands of every developer. 1. Machine learning services that make it easy and quick to create, train, and deploy ML models. 2. AI services make it possible to construct intelligent apps rapidly and easily. 3. deep learning frameworks that use representation learning to maximize neural networks. 4. AWS cognitive services include Amazon Lex, the chatbot AI that drives the well-known Alexa, Amazon Polly, which converts text to speech, and Amazon Recognition, which adds image and video analysis to applications. Guys, if you are still watching, please like, share and subscribe this video. Now inside out for Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services. As previously stated, the capabilities of this product are comparable to those of humans. So, what precisely is the power behind Azure Cognitive Services? Let's dig a little deeper. 1. Vision. The Vision APIs from Microsoft analyze visual content, images, video, and digital ink, and identify objects inside it. As a result, the APIs allow apps to verify and organize faces based on specific features, or to recognize specific objects and details. APIs for Vision include Vision in computers. The service aids in the analysis and enhancement of visual content discoverability by extracting and recognizing language, tagging and categorizing photos, generating descriptions, and recognizing human faces and other objects. Personalized vision. The service adapts computer vision models to specific business needs. This API detects human faces in images by using attributes such as age, gender, position, grin, facial hair, and emotions. Recognizer of forms. This API assists in detecting and extracting essential types of content. Indexer of videos. This API detects and identifies visual material in movies, extracts audio transcriptions, detects scenes, interprets language, analyses sentiment, searches for images and events in a video, and then indexes this data. Speech APIs enable the incorporation of speech processing into apps by converting speech to text and vice versa, translating text to other languages, and identifying speakers. The technology can be employed in hands-free tools such as those used to dictate text or read instructions aloud. The following are examples of speech APIs. With support for 85+ languages, speech-to-text and text-to-speech help apps transcribe audio to text and vice versa. Speech translation, which allows for real-time transcription and translation of talks. Speaker recognition, which identifies the speaker based on audio content and can be used for access control and authentication. Language APIs analyze text to determine its meaning. Among them are the following. Immersive reader, which assists readers in deciphering the meaning of the text regardless of their ability. Language understanding is a program that teaches apps, smart devices, and bots to understand natural language. Q&A maker, which adds question and answer functionality to apps. Text analytics is a method of analyzing text to detect sentiment and key phrases. Translator that does real-time machine translation in multiple languages, more than 60 languages. Decision. Decision APIs analyze data and uncover links and patterns to make decisions faster, smarter, and more efficiently. These are some examples. Anomaly detector, which detects problems before they occur. Content moderator, which checks content for offensive or objectionable content. Metrics advisor, which monitors metrics and detects issues. Personalizer, which is essential for creating sophisticated user experiences by assisting in the generation of meaningful, rich, user-specific information and recommendations. Web search APIs improve internet searching. These are some examples. 1. Bing Autosuggest, which delivers search suggestions as you write. 2. Bing Custom Search, which provides personalized search results. 3. Bing Entity Search, which recognizes and categorizes entities and locations before searching for the desired result. 4. Bing Image Search is in charge of image searches. 5. Bing News Search, which searches the web for news based on the query. 6. Bing Spell Check, which detects and corrects spelling mistakes. 7. Bing Video Search is in charge of video searches. 8. Bing Visual Search is in charge of image-based searches. 9. Bing Web Search, which offers ad-free, location-based search results based on the processing of all forms of web results. Real-world applications. To understand how apps that rely on Microsoft's cognitive services work in practice, let's look at some examples. Uber. Uber deployed the Azure Face API to protect its millions of users from crime and fraud. This allows the app to verify the driver's identification. Passengers may be confident that their driver is the account holder. This feature assists the Uber app in recognizing faces regardless of lighting or a person's stance or emotions. Volkswagen. Every day, Volkswagen requires a considerable volume of content to be translated between more than 40 languages, menus, manuals, infotainment systems, and other text content. This necessitates the translation of billions of words in record time. Azure's superior learning capabilities, flexibility, and scalability enable precise translation in near real time and at a low cost. BBC uses a branded voice assistant to expedite interactions with its audience and improve user experience. In the shape of a conversation, this assistant searches the BBC's audio database for material. Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services and the Azure Bot Service serve as the foundation for the voice assistant. For a healthcare company, our team created a mobile app. The tool assists those who are blind or visually challenged in recognizing faces, objects, and scenes. It works like this. A smartphone camera is used to photograph an object. To provide a description of the object, the app makes advantage of the back-end cognitive services and all available document libraries. The app uses voice generation to identify the object and inform the user who or what is in the photo. The user takes or uploads pictures of people, which are subsequently saved in the database. Many languages are supported by the program, including English, German, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Chinese, Arabic, Japanese, Greek, Dutch, and Hungarian. In conclusion, Microsoft Cognitive Services are a powerful set of tools that allow developers to build intelligent applications without the need for in-depth knowledge of AI or ML. With a range of APIs and services to choose from, developers can easily add features such as image recognition, speech recognition, and language translation to their applications. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.